Today we're going to look at two distinct topics, triangles and Venn diagrams. A triangle is a two-dimensional shape with three sides. Now there's different types of triangles, and we can classify those types of triangles two different ways. If we look at classifying triangles by its sides, we can have a triangle with no congruent sides. When a triangle has no congruent sides, it is called scalene. If a triangle has two congruent sides, that triangle is called isosceles. And if a triangle has all three sides congruent, it is equilateral. If we are to classify a triangle based on its angles, if a triangle has all three angles acute, it is an acute triangle. If a triangle has one obtuse angle, it is an obtuse triangle. Notice that in an obtuse triangle, we do have two acute angles. It's just that our third angle is obtuse. If a triangle has a right angle, it is a right triangle. Notice that in a right triangle, we do have two acute angles. It's just that our third angle is right. And the last way to classify an angle, or classify a triangle by its angles, is if all three angles are the same, that type of triangle is equa, meaning equal, angular, equal angles. Our next topic that we're going to cover is Venn diagrams. A Venn diagram is a visual organizer of information. A Venn diagram shows the relationship between that information. In order to make a Venn diagram, we first have to decide on our universe. Deciding on a universe will change our Venn diagram. In this example, I want our universe to be students at Delano High School. If our universe was something different, like the entire planet, our Venn diagram would look different. Or if our universe was students in this class, our Venn diagram would look different. When we have our universe being students at Delano High School, I need to first come up with a place to put all the students in Delano High School. To do that, I'm going to start with a rectangle. And that rectangle is going to be our universe, all students at Delano High School. If you're outside this box, if you're outside this rectangle, you're not in our universe. You're not a student at Delano High School. Now, to classify students as either in band or choir, we need to have two circles, one for band and one for choir. Now, this circle means that all band students have to be in this circle. And we're going to make another circle for choir. But there is going to be some overlap for those students who are in both band and choir. This Venn diagram relates students at Delano High School into either band or choir. Notice I didn't have to label this area. This region right here are the students that are in both band and choir. I assume that the user, the reader of this Venn diagram, can see that this is the intersection of these two circles. Notice that all students fit somewhere in this Venn diagram. The students who are outside the circles are the students who are not in band and not in choir. The students in this region right here are the students that are in band and not choir. And the students in this region are in choir but not band. And the students in this middle right here, this intersection, are in both band and choir. As long as I have one student in each region, I have a correct Venn diagram. I can have more than one student in each region, but I need at least one student in each region. Let's look at another Venn diagram that relates students at Delano High School in Math Team, Science Olympiad, and Link. I'm going to start with my universe. My universe is going to be all students at Delano High School. And then I'm going to have a circle for all my Math Team students. I'm going to have a circle for all my Science Olympiad students. And then I'm going to have a circle for all my Link students. So outside of these circles, in this universe is all my students who are not in Math Team, not in Science Olympiad, and not in Link. And this region right here are those students who are in all three activities. The intersection of just two of these will be Math Team and Science Olympiad and Link, and Math Team and Link. And if I go into this region, that's just the circle without the intersections, these are my students who are in just Math Team, just Science Olympiad, and just Link. Every student at Delano High School has a place on this Venn diagram, and every region has at least one student in it.